Hi guys, welcome to yet another video from this board. Today in this video, let us unbox the Asus Marshmallow mouse, which is an affordable wireless mouse which comes with a lot of interesting features that you might not see on most of the mouse that are available around 2000 rupees price month. So without wasting any further time, let's do the same. This is the retail package of the Asus Marshmallow Mouse MD100. As you can see, it comes in a pretty simple pack and it also displays the two colors options available in the market. On the back, it has some of the products information, and if you look at the side, it also has again information about some of the prominent features of this mouse, saying that it uses silent mode and it offers dual connectivity, that is RF 2.4 and Bluetooth. It also has variable DPI of 2600 and it has a very silent functionality and it is easy to use. So these are some of the prominent features of this mouse. Do also note that the top portion of this mouse also comes with antibacterial coating, which is something very useful especially in this day and time. Now if you open the box, we won't get many accessories like a smartphone or other devices, as this is a mouse. What we will get is a mouse, an additional top layer, the additional top cover, probably a user manual of sorts. As you can see, here is the warranty card or the user manual, which will give more information on this mouse if you really want to research. So the next thing on the package is the mouse itself, which is pretty light in size and pretty compact, and this mouse just weighs 56 grams, which is including the battery, which makes it a lightweighted mouse. Now there is another accessory in the box, that is the top case, which can be easily replaced on the mouse. So as you can see, it doesn't have any branding and it also has a neat or a smooth finish on the top. So if you actually open the mouse, as you can see, if you replace the top portion of this mouse, you will actually get a dual sound kind of a mouse, which is interesting. Currently this mouse is not available in India. However, this mouse will be available for 2199 rupees and will go on sale via offline and online stores from May 2020. Again, the company has included a battery, that is a AA regular size battery in the mouse. So you just have to take out that peel to activate the battery and get the mouse started. So this is the battery and you can just insert it and you can start using the mouse using the Bluetooth technology or the RF 2.4 GHz dongle, which is also included inside the box. This is the RF 2.4 dongle, which will be useful to use especially on desktops and laptops, which might have a dedicated USB-A port. As you can see on the back, we have a couple of buttons. There is a button to change the DPI, there is a button to put the mouse in the pairing mode, and there is also a switch to switch between the RF mode and Bluetooth mode, which is also pretty important, especially where you can use this laptop with two devices at the same time. While one device might be connected to the RF 2.4 modem, while the other device might use the Bluetooth technology to connect to this Marshmallow Asus mouse. As you can see, there is also a tag attached to the mouse. Again, it's one of the stylish component of this mouse. If you are nearly not someone who might like this tag, you can easily place it inside so that it won't be visible at all. In terms of styling, I like this dual tone finish, especially when compared to the native single tone finish, as it gives a bit of a character to the mouse. As you can see, by placing this tag inside, it will give a look like a normal mouse that doesn't have any additional design element. However, if you are into carrying your mouse on your finger or showing off your mouse like it's a keychain or it's something very peculiar, then you can also do the same by keeping that outside. In terms of pricing and the feature set, the Asus mouse is a medium level wireless mouse. Although it is not a gaming mouse, it is still offering 1600 DPI, which is pretty good, especially if you want to play games using this mouse for some time. And even for the professional usage, if you use the RF 2.4 dongle, you will get the lower latency, especially when compared to the Bluetooth mode. And there is also an LED indicator which will turn on when the mouse goes into the pairing mode. For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.